Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome to TechJof Reviews. Today, we have an exciting device to look at, the latest Moto G85 5G. Motorola has been making waves in the budget and mid-range smartphone market, and the G85 is no exception. Let's dive in and see what this device has to offer. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. Right off the bat, let's talk the design first. The Moto G85 boasts a sleek and modern design. The device is 7.6mm thin and weighs only 171 grams, offering a comfortable grip. The back panel is made of eco leather with a matte finish texture, adding an elegant touch. Despite its plastic build, it feels solid and durable in hand, striking a good balance between looks and sturdiness. On the right side, here are the power button and the volume rocker, with USB-C, microphone, a speaker grill, and SIM tray at the bottom, and a microphone for noise cancellation on top with Dolby Atmos logo. Moving on with the display, this phone has a curved 6.67-inch Full HD Plus P-OLED display, supports 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. The screen is vibrant, bright, and perfect for streaming videos or gaming. The thin bezels and the punch-hole camera give it a premium look, with Corning Gorilla Glass Protection 5 that's hard to beat in this price range. Now let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, the Moto G85 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, a 6nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 2.2 GHz. This mid-range chipset ensures a smooth performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using the latest apps. Coupled with 12GB of RAM plus 12GB of RAM Turbo and 256GB of internal storage. This phone handles everyday tasks with ease and provides plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos, plus it comes with SD card slot expansion. The phone runs on a near-stock version of Android 14, which means you get a clean and smooth user experience without any bloatware. Motorola has also promised timely updates, so you can expect to stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. Moreover, let's talk about the camera setup. The Moto G85 features a versatile dual camera system. The 50MP main sensor delivers sharp and detailed photos, while the 8MP ultra-wide allows you to capture more of the scene. On the front, you have a 32MP selfie camera that takes great selfies even in low light. But unfortunately, this camera can record only Full HD video with 30 and 60 frames per second. As you can see from these sample photos and videos, the camera performance is impressive for a phone in this price range. The colors are vibrant and the detail is remarkable, especially in well-lit conditions. Battery life is another area where the Moto G85 shines. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts for a full day, even with heavy usage. And when you need to charge, the 30W turbo power fast charging ensures you back up and running in no time. In terms of connectivity, the Moto G85 supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you're future-proof as 5G networks continue to roll out. It also has the usual array of connectivity options, including 5.1 Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC. So, what's the verdict? The Moto G85 5G offers a fantastic blend of performance, design, and camera capabilities at a competitive price point. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable mid-range 5G smartphone without breaking the bank. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Moto G85 5G. Let us know in the comments below what do you think of this device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.